Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding USDT on Binance and you're ready to cash it out to your bank account, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for 2025, making sure it's as straightforward as possible. First things first, USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, so withdrawing it means converting it to real cash. But before we dive in, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. That's crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your USDT balance. If you haven't already, ensure your USDT is in your spot wallet for easy access. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency or asset you want to withdraw. Choose USDT, and then pick your withdrawal method. For bank transfers, look for options like fiat withdrawal or specific bank transfer services available in your region in 2025. These might include partnerships with banks or third-party providers for seamless transfers. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so double-check those to avoid surprises. You'll need to input your bank account details accurately. Things like your bank name, account number, and possibly a SWIFT code if it's an international transfer. Once everything is filled out, review the details carefully. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. After that, Binance will process your withdrawal, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your bank and network congestion. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and current exchange rates, as they can fluctuate. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing USDT from Binance to your bank account in 2025 is simpler than you might think. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Catch you in the next video. Stay savvy.